Welcome to plan design. This another ground floor plan and first floor plan. This wonderful, very big size ground floor and first floor plan. We will see one by one. I will explain how I design. This is our entrance, this side, and this entrance, this side. So we can enter from both sides and both design properly and very much perfect. We will see this entrance here. We are getting wide Majlis Hall 750 by 480, and this side we are getting small column for design. This is our step and this is our entrance. This window in design window. This is wonderful design window. I designed properly, and this is our sliding door for entrance access. This is OTS wide lobby. It will open from here and first floor. This slab cut. This we enter here, and this is our lobby 740 by 380, and this our family living 525 by 480 centimeter. This wonderful arch design, inside interior design, and this office 520 by 480, and this our lobby. Same, this slab cut for our wide inside sunlight. This entrance, this ladies hall, big hall 750 by 480. This side window and this side window. Here, this ladies dining 450 by 480. This kitchen 420 by 300 meter, 300 centimeter, and back side steps for back side entrance. This servant room 280 by 190, and this laundry 420 by 300, and this general room and this toilet and bathroom. This dining, this laundry. This wonderful stair design. This big going both sides, this side and this side and this side. From ground floor, it is going this side. This side going from ground floor, and first floor reaching here, and second floor reaching here. So this final ground floor plan. Ground floor plan, no bedroom, only office and living room, majlis, dining, and laundry, kitchen, and ladies separate hall and separate dining. All side common bathroom given. We are reaching first floor. First floor plan, number of 6 bedroom, big size, and 1 study room, family room. We will see one by one. This is our stair. We are reaching both sides. This side also reaching, this side also, and we will see this is our front study room 515 by 525. This side balcony 188 by 375. This door here, and this is again sliding door. This family room 515 by 525. This sliding room, and this balcony 188 by 375. And this is our wide open duct, open no slab, this cutout. We will cover with frame design, roof floor, glass frame design. This master bedroom, this entrance, this side. This is our passage 540 by 200 centimeter. This attached bathroom 230 by 230. This dress area, and this master bedroom. This side window we are given projection. See this side is type projection for continuous from ground floor, and here again bedroom 460 by 420. This dress 264 by 182, 240 by 182, and the second bedroom 510 by 420 and attached bathroom 420 by 240 by 182. This dress 260 by 182. This window area. This will come our balcony. This is our balcony. Again, this side, keep in mind, all side balcony covering. Here also balcony, here also balcony, all bedroom balcony. And this, another bedroom, 460 by 420. This dress, 240 by 182. Bathroom, 264 by this dress 264 by 182. This passage, this wide for sunlight from inside. Otherwise, this area full dark. So this area is covering this sunlight. This passage, this bedroom 570 by 480. This side we have given balcony here also and here also. If you want, you can remove, you can keep one side balcony. This wonderful design. So this floor plan covering number of 6 bedroom and family room, study room on first floor, and ground floor no bedroom, only service area like kitchen, laundry, dining, hall, office, family living, lobby. So this design, both side entrance, this side entrance also, and this side entrance. Outer design covering elevation for nice elevation design. This side, back side exit, back side entrance also given. So this nice floor plan design. You can like and subscribe channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching.